Hey friends, if you wish to hide the blue box around the active item in Narrator, then please watch this video. So what is this blue box? Actually, they call it cursor in technical language. And is it necessary? While it may help you, but if people do not want it, then here's what you can do. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the accessibility tab on the list on the left hand side, select narrator in the right pane, scroll down and you will find an option which says show the narrator cursor. If it is on, the blue box is on. If it is off, the blue box is off. Now what is this? The narrator cursor is where the narrator is focused on your screen. Now, why is this important? Because if you use multiple apps, okay, if you're using a single app, then it is not required. But if you're using multiple apps, then where is the narrator focus? I mean, which app is the narrator working on? So there needs to be some symbol, and this cursor is that symbol. So I keep it on, but if you want it off, then you can. That is your call. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.